Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel solution series. Today in this video we are going to talk about case sensitivity issue. So here this is the problem that this file does not exist, but actually this file exists. So what's the issue and how to resolve this issue? So by the way, I am on the Windows and I'm using this locally on my local server where I have student/dashboard, and I opened this dashboard. And let me go to the project, and in this project my project contain this. So let me go to the HTTP middleware because it's throwing the middleware issue, right? So my middleware contain is user blocked, so it means that it's now I is capital. And if I go to the kernel.php file, so let me go to this file, and here in this kernel file, let me go there, and this kernel file contain the I is smaller, is user blocked. So this first I is smaller, right? So it should be capital, right? But it's I'm on the Windows and it's working perfectly fine, right? That's why I pushed this code on the server, and you know that server contain the Linux. That's why there is a issue that is user blocked, and I'm very sorry. So basically I think about this, why it's throwing this. I think this file does not exist, it's not uploaded properly. I debug it and go to the terminal and check that this file exists. So what's the issue? Then I go to the go to this is user blocked, and then check this if this code maybe is going wrong, and then I still confused that this code is not going wrong. That's why it's not finding this file. Then I clear the cache, recompile the files, generated these files, and then push my app to the server again, but it did not solve my issue. And then when I'm looking to this error, and I found this. This is the case sensitivity issue. So this I should be greater, then this will going to work, right? So let me go to my hosting here, and I'm going to change this case sensitivity. I'm going to make this capital here, and also I need to make this in another file. If I think it's already capital case, so I need to give it a refresh, so it's going to work. Okay, target class still not work. I think my middleware also contain the I smaller. Okay, let's go here, and it's is user blocked. It's good, but I think it's in the file it's contain the smaller, that's why it's not working. So before this I have created this with the lowercase I, and then I change this just to PHP file name. I did not change this in the file, that's why the issue is there, right? So now let's save it, and it's going to work like a charm. Oops, and yes, this app is now working fine, right? So it means that now I can access those routes which contain this is user middleware is user blocked. So it's working fine. So this is the case sensitivity issue. So if you are having this type of problem, so you need to make sure that your controller middleware or route contain the case sensitivity, right? And then you can easily debug it, right? So maybe in my case I'm confused that is it due to caching. So in your case you can also get confused, that's why I shooted this video. So hope this video will help you in the future. So I will meet you in the, if you like this video, please subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected for more upcoming updates. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.